This is a demo of BSE Videos. Why does it exist? There are many data embedded in meetings and other kinds of training videos that big state may have, and this lets us search and chat on the data of those videos with direct links to the timestamps. We can add prompts like, what did the transformer vendor say about lead times on that switchgear? Or how do I create JBox views automatically in Revit using Dynamo? And here's a demonstration of this app. We have 3 pages: search and chat, add videos, and manage videos. These 2 ones are more of admin and uploading and managing the videos, but the most important one is search and chat. We have a bunch of filters here. We can add filters, etc. And reset all the filters. We have here query video database. So when I put in the chat prompt, it will query the database of all the videos that are in it. I will add a prompt. How to create JBox views automatically in Revit. Try that prompt. Right now it's searching all these different projects, but we can filter that out if we want to limit the search. So here we go. It found a video about making detailed views with Dynamo. Here we can click on the sources and the time that it will begin and watch the video. We have a setting of how many results, the date range, sources. Currently we have videos that are hosted on SharePoint or OneDrive, and also we can add and view videos from YouTube. The add video page, we can give it a URL from YouTube, or if we have an MP3 or MP4 file, we can upload it here, and then here we give the link to this SharePoint or OneDrive video where it is available to watch. We have manual transcript here if we've got some transcript already made and we don't want to use AI to get a transcript. We have bulk CSV. We have 2 right now: local, which is using Open Router, but is limited in size. And this one here uses Google Cloud to get the transcript, and that can handle large audio and video files to get transcripts. And we can go here and find a CSV and have all this stuff one by one made a transcript, create the transcript and add that to the database. We also can do, if we have say we've extracted a playlist of YouTube videos, or we have a whole lot of videos we want to process at once, we can also give that a file that has a different YouTube. URLs. Advanced, we can choose the chat model via Open Router. We have an About tab, which describes the app, and also we have privacy about logging and things like that. The chat will be logged by user and prompt and a snippet of the answer from the LLM. And that is the BSE Videos app.